Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you an easy way to flat twist, and we're going to be using some amazing hair from Outre, and this is their natural kinky twist hair. And I tell you, this hair is really natural looking. By the time I was done with these locks, you could not tell that it wasn't my model's hair. This is the hair from the packaging, and when I tell you this hair is very soft, it's very soft, and it has a very natural texture and feel. I absolutely love this hair. Like, this hair can be used for locks, can be used for twists, can be used for a lot of natural looking hairstyles like ponytails. So I'm just moisturizing the hair with my leave-in conditioning spray. And yeah, I'm going to leave the link to all the products used in this video in the description box. So this hair is already pre-separated for you, so it's going to make things easier. And I'm going to use one strand, and I'll probably resplit the strands just to make the twist nice and natural looking. But yeah, it's already pre-separated, so that's great. So I'm going to be using two products for the flat twist. I'm going to be using the Style Factor and some Shine and Jam. The Style Factor will be for the flat twist, and the Shine and Jam will be to clean the parts. So that's what I'm going to do. So right now I am pre-parting, and I'm going to show you the size of the box that the flat twist is going to be done on, so that way you guys can see how much hair I am, sectioning out for the flat twist. So keep on watching. Alright, so now we want to do the flat twist. So when I do two strand twist, I usually twist the right side, and because I twist the right side for two strand twist, I'm going to flat twist with this rattle comb in the direction towards the left, if that makes sense. Okay, so as you see, I am flat twisting towards the left side. So basically the hair is flipped towards the left side, and this is the way I am flat twisting, basically rolling the hair in the left direction. I'm gonna do it again for this second flat twist. So the direction for both flat twists is towards the left. I am rolling the hair towards the left. This is very important, okay? So once I have the two flat twists towards the left, then I will transition into the two strand twist, twisting towards the right side. So the opposite direction is what the two strand twist is going to transition into. And this is to help the flat twist to stay in place, so it doesn't unravel. So you basically want to do it in opposite directions. And then I just feed in the hair and continue to twist with the hair. So I'm going to show you the feeding in the hair part again. I just she was eating, so I just didn't want the food to distract you guys. But yeah, I'm going to show you again how to attach the hair and twist. So just keep on watching. Now the reason I am flat twisting towards the left side before transitioning to the 2-strand twist towards the right side is because my 2-strand twist, I twist towards the right. Okay, if you are a left-handed person and you twist towards the left side, then your flat twist would have to be rolled towards the right side, if that makes sense. So yes, both legs of your flat twist must be in the same direction, whether it's right side or left side. When you change direction is when you're about to transition into the twist. That's when you change to the opposite direction, if that makes sense. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. So I am going to be fitting in 1 strand of the kinky hair, and I actually decided to split the hair again before I fit it in, so that way the size progression of the 2-strand twist can, you know, look natural, so it's not bulky. So you're going to see me just like fitting it one at a time, basically two pieces of the hair. For the ends, I simply make a knot when I get to the length that I want it to be, and then I just trim off some of the excess hair just to make the length a little bit shorter, so that way I can roll it up almost like you're kind of like rewrapping the twist back up. But instead of wrapping it flat like you would for faux locks, I am kind of going to twist it like I'm rolling the hair while I am wrapping at the same time. It's like I'm rolling it so it looks like twists, because I see when some people do this hairstyle, they twist the hair all the way to the end and then start to roll it back up to create that bulk at the base. But I don't want to spend so much time twisting the whole hair and then rolling back up, so I felt like this was easier for me to do. And once I'm done rolling and securing the twist, I then go ahead to use a black rubber band and just wrap that around the ends just to make it nice and secure so it doesn't come undone. So another way to flat twist is just to use your fingers. So this is another option if you don't want to use the rat tail comb. Yeah, whichever one is easier for you. But yeah, you could just use your fingers to like roll the hair as I'm doing, And yeah, so this is one way to flat twist as well. So there are different ways to do the same thing. It depends on which one is easier for your hands. I find the rattle comb method to be somewhat faster, and because I'm filming, so sometimes the direction that I'm standing is not easy to use the rattle comb. So right now, the way I'm standing to record this part was kind of difficult to like really use the rattle comb, so I decided to just use my fingers to gain more control, if that makes sense. But I like the rattle comb method. I feel like it just like makes it like more faster, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is another way to do it. You could try this method as well, or you could do the rattle comb method, whichever one works for you. I really enjoyed working with this kinky twist hair from Outre. It was really easy to twist and very lightweight. Like it felt like I was extending her hair. Yeah, that's how much the hair just blended into her hair. So just make sure you use some leave-in conditioning cream to kind of moisturize the hair as you go, and to moisturize your hands. And yeah. So now I am adding some spray oil, and that's all I'm adding to her scalp. I'm not going to add any liquid on her scalp other than the twist itself. So right now I'm adding some leave-in conditioner on the locks and just massaging it into the locks. So you want to avoid water. I told her do not wet the flat twist. Do not wet it, because then it's not going to last long. Avoid water and avoid scratching your scalp, and just tie it down before you go to bed. And yeah, so they can be retwisted. If it gets old, they can be retwisted and retightened. So that's also possible. But yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Absolutely love it. Love it. It's so lightweight. No hot water needed for this kinky hair. It's just ready to go. And this is the finished look on my model. It was so beautiful. So yes, guys, you guys make sure you check out this hair. I'll leave this hair in the description. Check it out. And thank you so much for watching.